Kutools for Excel, count all distinct values in a range in Excel. Count cells with unique values include the first duplicate value feature of Kutools for Excel. The sum or SUMPRODUCT function combined with COUNTIF can count distinct values in Excel. But the formula is complex and error-prone. To easily count distinct values in a column, I highly recommend the count cells with unique values include the first duplicate value feature of Kutools for Excel. First, select a blank cell to output the result. Then navigate to the Kutools tab. Click Formula Helper. Formula Helper. In the Formulas Helper dialog box, please configure as follows. Check the filter box, and input a keyword to filter the formula name. Here I input text, uni, in the text box. Find and select count cells with unique values include the first duplicate value in the Choose a Formula box. In the Range box, click the Browse button. Select the range of cells in which you want to count distinct values. Press the Enter key. Click the OK button. The total number of distinct values is then returned in the selected cell. With just a few clicks, Kutools for Excel helps you count all distinct values in a column effortlessly. Kutools for Excel with more than 300 essential and advanced features. Enjoy permanently free AI features now.